What's up everyone, Bizes here, and welcome to the Sweets on Sunday, which happens to be the last Sweets on Sunday of this year. So last week we did pigments. We did this little keyboard, key synthesized rhythmical stuff, which was modulated by noise. You can actually watch this video clicking on this link, but just hold on for now. Save it for later. And now we will be doing also pigments, and we will be utilizing sequencer to spicing up things a little bit. So we'll design a little bit of like a lead sound that you heard just a moment ago, and it will be sequenced just to make things more interesting and fun and random. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the pigments and let's start designing. Come on. Okay, so let's play with the wavetable and let's play with some sequencer today. So let's find some kind of, let's design some cool sound now. Okay, so let's design something cool, but we're going to play rather with like one note. Okay, so let's find some nice waveforms pigments for... basically anything will do. Let's sweep through it slowly, so LFO, something really slow. Let's add it to the position here, very slow, very low. Do not re-trigger it, so go free running. Okay, let's cut the frequencies a little bit. I don't like this one actually. Let's change it to something. This is more delicate. Okay, cool. We can modulate the frequency a little bit with something. Let's choose, let's say, pink noise. And let's modulate the frequency. It is a bit more dirty. Tiny bit of the phase modulation. More voices of unison. Let's try different. Let's try super unison. That's cool. It adds a little bit of the wider sound. Different filter. Drive it a little bit. Envelope. We want to have something more delicate, like a stab sound. Okay, and volume up a little bit. Cool, I like it. Let's add an envelope that will open and close our filter. Let's make it similar to the VCA envelope, so amp envelope, and let's assign it to the filter. Okay, that's cool, I like it. And then let's add some effects so it's like nice and roomy. Let's do kind of cool stuff. Let's add a little bit of delay, but 8-note delay. Ping pong. A little bit of the reverb. And here let's add a little bit of the distortion. Let's make it like really something heavy, like dual fold. This is an interesting sound already, okay? I like it. We can filter that a little bit more here. Let's add multi-filter. Mode. Bandpass. So let's sum up everything. So we have this little instabilities thanks to the modulator, which is our pink noise, and we can't hear it, but it is modulating our frequency. Let's try to add a little bit more of that. It will basically break the sounds, but let's add just a tiny bit. Adds loads of character. And a phase modulation here as well. Well, we want to have that just a tiny bit here. We can play with the other parameters as well if you like. Okay, nice. We don't have anything in the utility engine, we don't need it. gets too greedy for me. Let's go back to the previous settings. Okay. And now let's play with the sequencer. So finally we get to this stage. We can turn on the sequencer. What does it do? We'll just go through 8 notes. We can have 8, we can have more, and then we can play them in sequence. If we hold a note, that's what's going to happen. We can play with the velocity. We can randomize the velocity. But it doesn't do much with the velocity. Let's randomize the octaves. So let's play here. It's going to be on the same 0 octave. But if we randomize that, it has like 40, let's say 50% of, it has 50% of changing the octaves now. Okay, well we don't want to have that so extreme. Maybe once in a while it's like 25%. Maybe more. Okay, let's set like that. And trigger probability, let's add a little bit, so it may play this on, but it may also skip the note. But now all the fun begins if we will play with the pitch. So we can also randomize the pitch. Let's see what's going to happen if I keep one note. Let's play a note D. Okay, cool, but it's playing in a chromatic mode, so it's not holding to any scale, not aligning. So let's change it. Let's play along the natural minor scale, and that's gonna make the whole difference now. You can of course change each particular note like that. But if you play a chord, it's going to stick to the last held note. If you press like 1, 2, 3, it's going to play along the last note here. Okay. So what else we can do? We can add a little bit of the slide, so it adds a little bit more of the unpredictability and some cool character. Gate length. So it's great for playing arpeggios in sequence. We can play with randomize, so it's going to regenerate every 1 bar. We can reapply that, but okay, let's keep it off. This is some cool effects. I like it. We can play some rhythms on top of that. Let's hold one note. Let's actually record one note here. Move the pigments. That's a D. Let's play one note and let's add a little bit of some drums here. Let's drum kick. Let's add like 4 to the floor. Boom. Duplicate. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's play that now. Now we have our hands free. We can play with pigments now. This is cool. That's all you need. We can just save the preset and that's our sound done. And of course, you can download this patch for free from my website. The link is in the description box down below. I guess that's it from me for today. I wish you all the best in the new year, and I hope you're gonna make really cool music and really awesome music. Let the 2024 will be the best year so far with your music career. Now, thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.